So I was installing Windows 11 and this suddenly popped up. Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table. Then I realized that for a normal Windows 11 UEFI setup, our system disk should be using GPT instead of MBR. So I searched for some fixes. What I'm using here is EaseUS Partition Master. I'll put the link in the description. Once it opens, go to Disk Converter, select Convert MBR to GPT, choose the correct drive and click Convert. You don't have to worry about any data loss like other methods because EaseUS have some magical powers which got you covered. Now the conversion is finished. Let's take a quick look. Right-click the Start button, open Disk Management, right-click your disk on the left side, choose Properties, go to the Volumes tab and check Partition Style. It should now say GUID Partition Table or GPT. Now there's one more important part for your system to meet Windows 11 requirements. Restart your PC and press BIOS key to enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Once inside the BIOS, look for boot mode, CSM or legacy support. It may be under boot, advanced or BIOS settings. Change the boot mode from legacy or CSM to UEFI. Then look for secure boot and enable it. After that, make sure TPM2 is enabled as well. On Intel systems, it may appear as PTT, and on AMD systems, it may appear as FTPM. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. And that's it. I hope this video will fix your Windows 11 GPT problem. So, please consider subscribing and drop a like on this video, and I will see you in next one.